fighters waited overhead for the defending planes of the Royal Air Force, the RAF, to appear. They didn't have long to wait. Came, facing odds of 6, 8, 10 to 1, and dove in, shouting the old hunting cry, tally-ho!
This airplane is iconic and historic because, of course, it's a Spitfire. And it was both the Hurricane and the Spitfire who defended Britain in the Battle of Britain in 1940, the early years of the war, and thereby defended democracy in Europe.
This plane, lettered Y2K, was flown by my father, Arnold Roseland, in the Second World War. And he flew this particular marked airplane 65 times in Europe, into Germany, escorting bombers, and across the beaches of Normandy 3 times on D-Day.
Yeah, the aircraft is pretty much rebuilt from a data plate up. There's some original parts that are still left here and there that we try to preserve wherever we could. So it's, you know, preserve, and then if you can preserve it, you'll put it in, especially if it's airworthy. It just adds to the history.
Well, it happened on June the 30th, 1944. He was flying this plane, and that day, and that particular mission was the first one of the day, and he was in the air for an hour and a half. And he, I'll read you his entry, if that's okay. Finally, it happened. I spotted 4 Huns, 190s below. I attacked and bagged 2, some fun. One more destroyed by Pilot Officer Young. Squadron destroyed 3 more on PM patrol, bringing day total to 6. And he was actually on the afternoon patrol leading the Green Squadron. This is the day of July 13th. His Y2K was having maintenance issues, so he was actually flying Y2P. And that's the day that someone else has entered armed reconnaissance missing. And that's the day that he lost his life. The heart again pounds when you see this plane live. And when I saw it fly for the first time, the tears were streaming down my face.
As a pilot, you do get focused on the task at hand, flying the airplane. And you know what the crosswind's going to be like at your landing and all those things that keep you alive as a professional pilot. But every once in a while you look around and you see this beautiful elliptical wing platform and the roundels and the cannons pointing out, and you think, gosh, how did I get here? This is just wonderful.